The universe was being deleted, every civilization gone, until it reached him.
Silence is the sound of a billion voices being erased at once. The Nexus Black doesn't just kill, it deletes you from reality.
Advanced civilizations fell first. Their perfect DNA was the perfect fuel. To the universe, progress was a death sentence.
But in the ruins of a dying sector, one creature survived. Not because he was strong, but because he was a mess. I was just a janitor. I wasn't supposed to be the last hope. I was just an accident.
While empires dissolved into code, Elias's human biology did something impossible. It fought back with chaos.
The news spread. The divine error had been found, and now the survivors were coming for him.
Bring us the human. His blood is the only key to our survival, even if we must drain him dry.
Elias was hunted, not as a hero, but as a resource, a biological lottery ticket in a game of cosmic extinction. They want to sacrifice me to save a universe that never even looked at me, but the virus, it's not just eating us.
The Nexus Black was a cosmic reset. It targeted perfection. It did human manifestation. Purple geometric pulses.
It's trying to understand me. It's trying to find the pattern in my flaws. But there is no pattern.
Elias realized the cure wasn't a vaccine. It was a virus of his own. A virus called unpredictability.
He didn't give them a serum. He gave the Nexus a taste of being human. He gave it the ability to fail.
Go ahead. Take my blood. But you'll have to take my soul, too. And trust me, you aren't ready for that. The Great Reset was halted. Not by a god, but by a man who was too broken to be deleted.
The universe survived, but it was no longer perfect. It was scarred. It was messy. It was finally alive. Elias disappeared into the stars, a ghost in the machine, a reminder that our flaws are our greatest armor. Because in a universe of perfect equations, the only thing that matters is the one variable you can't solve: you.